The USN just awarded this most dangerous military drone to the U.S. Marine Corps. According to a press release from the Naval Air Systems Command, the U.S. Navy recently awarded General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, Inc. a contract worth $135.8 million for 8 MQ-9A extended-range unmanned aircraft systems. These aircraft are expected to be delivered to the Marine Corps in late 2023. So, what's packed with this ferocious predator? Let's learn more. Hey guys, welcome to our channel Future Warplanes, where we tell you about military fighter jets, military drones, and military planes from the currently famous in the air to the most advanced around the world. So stay with us till the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of this information. And before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our amazing videos in the future. And let's dive in. The Marine Expeditionary Force will have access to a large-scale, long-range intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capacity thanks to MQ-9A-ER. The avionics architecture is triple redundant, and it is made to increase the aircraft's endurance to more than 30 hours. Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Squadron 3 in Kenui Bay, Hawaii, will transition to MQ-9A missions as part of the Marine Corps Force Design 2030 initiatives. The MQ-9A-ERs will be used by VMU-3 to assist training for the Marine Littoral Regiment. The Marines MQ-9 program is managed by the Multi-Mission Tactical UAS Program Office, which awarded their contract using the Agile Reaper Enterprise Solution, or ARES, provided by the Air Force. ARES is an IDIQ contract with a set 5-year delivery quantity period. Captain Dennis Monagle, PMA 266 Program Manager, noted that his team had ensured the development and fielding of a new combat capability crucial for the Marine Corps Force Design 2030 mission at an extraordinary speed. Since the program started in 2018, PMA 266 has benefited from Air Force investments and contractual strategies to acquire MQ-9, ultimately reducing the time till fielding. The MQ-9 program started after Milestone C and eliminated 3 to 5 years of conventional acquisition efforts by customizing and streamlining the normal acquisition process. In order to build and integrate as rapidly as possible, Monagle noted, we closely aligned with the USAF MQ-9 System Program Office, National Guard Bureau, Marine Corps stakeholders, as well as our vendor teams. The Marine Unmanned Air Vehicle Squadron, VMU-1, received the first 2 MQ-9 aircraft in 2019, and they have since logged more than 15,000 operational flying hours. As part of Force Design 2030, the program will continue to create novel payloads and capabilities. These payloads include the Proliferated Low Earth Orbit Satellite System, the Sky Tower Airborne Network Extension Payload, and the Detect and Avoid System, or GA-ASI. In order to support expeditionary advanced-based operations, littoral operations in contested environments, and maritime domain awareness, the Marines will have access to the MQ-9A and its associated payloads, organic network extension and intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeting, or ISRT capabilities. So what's packed with Predator RQ-1, MQ-1, MQ-9 Reaper UAV? The long-range multi-role MQ-1 Predator UAV is equipped with AGM-114 Hellfire missiles for armed reconnaissance. The MQ-1 is a multi-mission, long-endurance, medium-altitude, turbo-prop-powered unmanned aircraft system that was formerly known as the RQ-1 Predator. It was created by the U.S.-based aerospace firm General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, or GA-ASI. In order to carry out the Tier 2 Medium Altitude Endurance Predator program, GA-ASI was given a contract in January 1994. The Predator system had its first flight in 1994, and production began in August 1997. The RQ-1 was made for missions involving surveillance and reconnaissance. In 2002, the name was changed to MQ-1. The MQ-1 is a multi-role vehicle used for armed reconnaissance and interdiction and is armed with AGM-114 Hellfire missiles. By using satellite communication links, the UAS may transmit surveillance imagery captured by synthetic aperture radar, video cameras, and a forward-looking infrared or FLIR in real time to the operational commander and the soldier on the front lines. The U.S. Navy awarded GA-ASI a contract in May 2022 to provide the USMC with 8 MQ-9A extended-range unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs. The delivery of the aircraft is anticipated for late 2023. 4 aircraft, a ground control system, and a Trojan Spirit 2 data distribution terminal make up a typical Predator system setup. The Predator aircraft is 8.2 meters long and has a wingspan of 14.9 meters. The system has a range of 740.8 kilometers and works at a height of 7,620 meters. The air vehicle has a range of more than 40 hours, and its cruise speed exceeds 129.6 kilometers per hour. The air vehicle will be used by the U.S. Marine Corps in May 2022. It's equipped with ultra-high frequency and very high frequency radio relay links, a C-band line-of-sight data link with a range of 277.8 kilometers, and UHF and Ku-band satellite data links. The delivery of the aircraft is anticipated for late 2023. Predator launches using a standard launch procedure from a partially prepared area under direct line of sight control. Typically, the length of the takeoff and landing is 609.6 meters, or right at 2,000 feet. Line of sight data communications or Ku-band satellite links can be used to control the mission to create continuous video. The Trojan Spirit vehicle will distribute collected video signals to operational users directly or to the public via commercial global broadcast system after being passed from the ground control center. Real-time tasks for photos or video on demand can be sent to the payload operator by command users. A Block 1 upgrade contract to increase the Predator system's capabilities was given to General Atomics, GA parent ASI's company, in May 1998. The development of an improved relief on-station system that allows continuous coverage over areas of interest without any loss of time on station, secure voice relay for air traffic control, Ku-band satellite tuning, and the implementation of an Air Force mission support system were among the system upgrades. A more powerful turbocharged engine and wing de-icing systems were also upgraded to allow year-round operation. The U.S. Army's Extended Range and Multi-Purpose UAV program, which consists of 11 Sky Warrior systems, each with 12 air vehicles and 5 ground control stations, was chosen in August 2005. This version of Predator B is known as Sky Warrior, and it was chosen for the 4-year system development and demonstration phase. 2 Block 0 Sky Warrior UAVs were delivered to Iraq in April 2008, and the initial operating capability was reached in 2009. For the low-rate initial manufacturing of the unmanned Sky Warrior aircraft, GA-ASI was granted $195.5 million by the U.S. Army in July 2010. The MQ-9 Reaper has a maximum internal payload of 362.8 kilograms, an operational ceiling of 15,240 meters, and an exterior payload surpassing 1,360.7 kilograms. Hey, that's going to do it for today, guys. We sincerely hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, please click on the like button and make sure you share it with all your friends and family. As always, if you have any questions or comments, share them with us in the comment space below. We love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll see even more of our incredible videos, and make sure you check out our other videos that have been specially selected just for you. We appreciate you watching today, and we'll catch up in the next video. Thanks for watching.